Hi, Tribe Forex traders. It is October 9th, 2014. So let me just give you a quick wrap up of how things went today. So looking up, we had two break evens, $0 and Aussie dollar. And the pound dollar was negative, I think about 28 pips or so. After last week, we were expecting a bit of a pullback. Yesterday, we had losses and one break even. And we were looking for a pullback. So Monday, no calls were actually hit. Tuesday, we had losses. Today, we have a lot of break evens and one loss. Considering that we made 20% and 738 pips last week, that's to be given. And last week, of course, we hit all 100% trades for that week. Okay, we hit 100% of our trades. So what are we looking at today? Now that I've done that, I'm actually going to look for a sell. So we looked for a buy today, and we didn't quite get it. We expected the price to come down and then give us an entry. It didn't. Well, today we're going to look for a sell. The market's just not quite ready, I don't think, to give us a buy. And if it does give us a buy, it gives us a buy, and then we'll know where it is. All right. So on the euro dollar, I'm going to look for a sell at 1.2714. So 127.14, I'm actually looking for a sell on the euro dollar. On the dollar Swiss, there's a lot of support there for us, and we're going to look for a buy at 0.9516, which coincides with this trend line actually, right? And the pound dollar, I'm going to look for a sell again, and I'm going to look for a sell at 1.6140. Okay, so I'm going to expect price to test this trend line at 161.30, get to 161.40 or in that vicinity, and maybe a little bit up. There's a lot of resistance at 161.50. So I'm going to take a sell at 1.6140, see if we can get in there, and look for a sell off of that level in the pound dollar. Now the dollar yen, I'm not touching that thing. Aussie dollar, we're going to look for, we're not taking a trade on the Aussie dollar. There's a lot of support under here that's held for a long time, so I'm kind of avoiding that for the time being. New Zealand dollar also, I think, actually I was going to call this 0.7967 area. I didn't, and that's exactly where we had price bounce off of. It was so far away, who could have thought it was going to get there, but it did. Got a good sell opportunity off of that. We're not going to do that there. We can see that the pound yen is in consolidation. It looks like it's consolidating. We could very well have a buy off of 173.66. I'm not going to call that either, though. I'm going to stick with the calls that we do have. I'm leaving the yen pairs alone for the time being. The dollar CAD, we have some dollar news coming out, dollar CAD news, some CAD news, I should say. It's been a lot of consolidation. And so I'm going to leave that trade alone. I just don't see a lot of good technicals here for us besides consolidation movement. And so for that reason, I'm not going to call a dollar CAD. So with that, guys, that's all I've got for today. Happy trading, and keep the faith. All the best. Bye-bye.